So I thought as we rapidly approach the end of the semester, it might be nice to give you a preview of the last few remaining projects and let you know how the rest of the semester is going to go. I have enjoyed reading your tornado and hurricane discussions so far. Some of you had some really, really good choices. And we really are winding down, and the end of the semester will be here before you know it. I'm just going to share the screen to the home page, and this is my view, by the way. But if you go to modules, I did make a couple small changes. We are wrapping up module 11 this week on Monday. And then we're going to move into module 12s, 13, 14, and 15, and they go pretty fast. I hope you're finding the content now a little more interesting, a little more entertaining than the first half of the class. Next module, we're going to talk about climate, and I put in a weather safety project, which I know some of you have already done. I kind of give you a little rubric with this, an example of my weather journal and my weather safety lecture that I gave during the COVID spring of 2020. Have fun with this assignment. It's okay to have fun with the remainder of the assignments. And as we move into module 13 is a discussion on climate change. And we talk about positive feedback loops like that. And there's a graphing exercise. And then there's a climate change research. And I did push the due date on this one back till the end of Thanksgiving break. I know some of you are going to utilize that week to get caught up or backslash ahead in this class. But this submission is a little different than your other submissions. As per the syllabus and campus policy, papers like this have to be ran through a plagiarism checker. And so you will have to submit it through Turnitin. Now, I can't test this out in student view because I don't have an email associated with it. But when you submit it through Turnitin, it should send you information on any plagiarism or anything else and give that score. I'm not worried about the sources you cite. Those are obviously cited in other papers, etc. What I'm looking for is for you not to copy and paste from websites and not to use some other student's work from a former class as your submission. And yes, I have to address that because it does happen. If /when you should have any problems submitting this, please let me know immediately. It is also okay to email me the paper, but again, I will run it through my own plagiarism checker, and I will probably try to have you submit it anyway. I have not done this for this class before, so this will be a learning experience for me and you both. But again, if you have questions, please let me know. If you have trouble submitting it through Turnitin, please let me know. All right, in addition to the climate change research paper, that's actually our last big topic. The last project is a Science of Hollywood project. And please have a little fun with this one. It's not meant to be taxing or anything like that. Basically, you need to pick a movie that has some sort of weather event in it and look at the legitimacy of that movie. Is this a real thing? Is this a fake thing? Is this totally plausible, not plausible? Please don't pick Twister, and I'd really prefer you not to pick The Day After Tomorrow. They get overdone quite a bit. Twister was a good movie, but not really a scientifically accurate tornado movie, but it's a fun movie to watch. Day After Tomorrow, good movie. Has some legitimacy, but on that time scale, not probably not going to happen. But there are other movies out there. Sharknado is totally on the table for this one, for those of you wondering. Okay, this is not meant to be a overly difficult assignment. Have fun with it. That's kind of the whole point as we wrap up this semester. I will be updating grades. I know some of you are still working on some things. That's fine. You should always be able to submit stuff right up until the Monday of finals week, which should be the 13th of December, I believe. And then after that, you probably cannot submit anything. If you have trouble submitting stuff, just please let me know. Be in communication with me if there are any issues or anything, because I know it seems like the end of the semester is 6 weeks away, but trust me, those 6 weeks go really fast. I hope everything's going well. And as always, if you need anything, please let me